Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Midwest Picker. I just want to do a quick what sold on eBay video. I realized I sold more in June. Today is, I don't know, June 22, 2019, and there are more items than I realized that I did sell, so I kind of look bad. I just got done mowing the lawn and I'm beat tired. I got this box here. I have to list too. I just remembered I have probably 50 items that I've sourced. I haven't even listed yet. So today is listing day, but I wanted to put up this video really quick. I'll put the pictures right around here somewhere of what I sold. First item is locking lugs. So a lot of times people will buy these specialty locking lugs so that people can't steal their wheels off their car. I got these at a flea market, I think $6 a pack. No, not that much, $3 or $4 a pack. I put them on for $12.95. They sat there for about a year. Very slow sellers. I ended up lowering the price and lowering the price. Yeah, those sold for $7. They're real heavy too. They're over a pound, so that was a mess. Probably broke even or lost money on those. So I don't recommend anything heavy, like a big heavy wrench or a set of lug nuts or anything that's going to be over a pound, unless you're going to get a lot of money for them. I'm talking $15 to $20 or more. Otherwise, it's just not worth it. The next item is a New York Giants football jersey. I bought this at a Goodwill. I think it was $2 or $3. I checked it in the store, and they were going anywhere from $20 to $50. So I put it up for $28.95. I let it ride for a while, and I took $18 for it as the best offer just last night. And I said, yeah, I'll take it. I don't care. Made a little bit of a profit. The margin's not terrible. The next item is a proof set. Unless you're a coin collector and you know coins really well, I don't usually recommend you buy coins to resell and flip online. It's real easy to overpay on these. These are okay. They're not silver. They're just clad is what they're called. Pretty common proof sets. They were made in the millions by the U.S. Mint, so they're not in super high demand. Some people collect them. I bought about, I don't know, 45 proof sets, put them online. They sell extremely slow. So unless it's a very rare coin, if it's precious metal, obviously gold sells like crazy. Silver coins of any kind, hard to find coins will sell, guaranteed. Common coins like these don't sell real quick. Next one is a plastic pipe cutter. This is part of that toolbox lot I told you about. I was amazed on how expensive these things are. This one sold for $19. Got a good deal on that. Just added it to my profit pile. I think I told you in an earlier video I spent about $160 for $700 worth of tools, and I probably made about $300 in gross sales, $350 in gross sales from $160 expenditure, and I still have a bunch. Probably got 40% of the tools left. I haven't even listed yet, so I should triple my money possibly. Don't know if I do it again because it's a lot of work for a hobbyist. I'm just part-time, nights and weekends, and to buy that many tools that all have to be listed and researched, and that's a lot of work, so not sure I would do that again for that many tools, but they will sell. And the last one is the drill bits. Those sold for $15. It's just part of the toolbox lot again. So tools are hit and miss. New in the package obviously does much better than used out of the package, or worn out tools. You're not going to get a lot of money for used tools. But so that's what sold in June also. So this is the Midwest Picker. Give me a thumbs up if you can. Subscribe if you haven't already. That helps grow my channel. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching.